Hi everyone, this is Jordan from Globby and welcome to another episode of the video tutorial for the Globby e-commerce system. So today we're going to touch on pages and navigation. So you're going to start by clicking web editor, and over here, alright, you can see site pages and navigations. Let's touch on site pages first. Okay, click on it. As you can see, I have 3 pages here. Okay, let me show you what's on the website. There are 3 pages here, and these two, they are modules, and I'll talk more about modules in the other videos in the future. Okay, so let's look. In order to create a page, simply click on add new page, okay, and fill in the fields. Let's say I call it test, okay, and you can see that the slug, it will have automatically appeared, okay, and for the status, toggle it to publish. If not, it will be saved as a draft and it will not be published. And if you want it to be a home page, simply click on it to toggle the switch, and if you do not want it, you can just leave it. Okay, and for content, I call it test. Okay, for this fields, meta title, keywords, and meta description, you can fill it up if you want. Okay, click save. There you go, a new page is here. But if I refresh the page on my website at the front end, you can see that it does not appear here, and that is when the navigation comes in. Okay, let's move on to navigations now. So navigation is navigation bar. So as what you can see here, this is the navigation bar, and if I want a button to appear here, a new button to appear here, I have to add new navigation. So let's say right now I want a new navigation button that can lead me to the test page that I've created earlier on. So the title, let's say I call it test. Parent page, don't have to, unless you want it to have a drop down list. Okay, let's move on. Images don't have to for now as well. So let's say if I want the link type, I want to link this to the page called test. So that means if I click on this button, it will lead me to the page called test. If not, you can enter any other URL you want, for example, facebook.com or something else. Okay, but for this case, it's page. Okay, so I put it as test. Order, okay, we'll leave it first. Okay, and status, publish, save. Okay, and if you can see it here, ta-da! Alright, you see the save. You see a test button here. So if I click on test, it will lead me to the test page. Okay, but what if I want my home page to be the first button for the navigation bar? Simple. That's when we come to the order function. So as you can see, the home function, the home navigation button has an order number of 1. So of course 0 is in front of 1. That's why it will appear at the front. So if I want it to, let's say, to appear I want it to appear at the back, simply enter the order number 1 2 3 4 5. I write over here 6. So if I save it and I refresh my website, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is my 6th button for my navigation bar. And this is all for navigations. Yes, and these two functions are very important because a website without pages is nothing. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you have learned something new. Please feel free to email us once again if you have any inquiries, if you have any doubts, any questions, or anything to highlight. We will be more than glad to help you and to serve you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Signing off, Global Blaze Solutions.